Hello everyone.
Hi everyone.
And welcome back to the Dog and Partridge, a place of fine home craft ales where we brew, serve and review homebrew ales in the form of homebrew kits. If you haven't met me before, this is my world famous Blue Island Partridge.
If you haven't met me before, this is my brewmaster brother Dave Partridge.
Afternoon, bro. Afternoon, bro. And we've got a range of beers across the bar yet again for us to try. We've got Citra from the Dark Rock Brewing Company, Top of the Hops IPA, and we've got a new one from the Brewstore. Now, Brewstore in Edinburgh, so just hello to everybody in Edinburgh.
Oh, Scotland! That wasn't offensive at all, was it? There you go, look, that's the one we're going to be, well, in a bit we're going to be drinking that one.
Yeah.
Lovely. Right then, Brad. Are we diving straight in?
Yeah, we're diving straight in today at a beer kit from Shop for Homebrew, and it's a full grain kit called Citra.
Big bucket. There we go.
This is part of their one hop series range, so they do lots of one hop series: Amarillo, Cascade, Simcoe, and this one's Citra because it's one of my favourite hops.
It's one of mine as well, you know, folks. I blooming love Citra. So this is 5%. No recent hop has hit the craft beer world quite like Citra. I'd agree with that.
I agree with that for sure.
It offers a fruity citrus character unlike any other hop presently available. Citra gives a strong but smooth floral and citrus flavour. It says Citra and citrus quite a lot in this. Well, that's it.
Again, bro, this is a full grain kit. Just bring the bucket back there a little minute and just poke your hand inside. You'll see some little green packets. We'll see where we go with this later on, indeed. So the green packets there is a hops already weighed out for you. And they,
I know where this is going later on in the video.
And you add these at certain times of the boil. So like pack A it says there, or pack B or pack C.
Makes it nice and easy.
It makes it nice and easy.
To brew to do the brew basically.
Do the brew basically. And then you end up with
some Citra.
Some Citra.
Ooh, well, it's definitely Citra.
There's a good smell of the Citra up there in the background, isn't there? And oh yes.
Just get your nose right in there.
Before we taste, bro, yes. I'd just like to say congratulations to one of our local breweries, Oakham Ales, who won a gold award for their Citra at the Great British Beer Festival.
Did they indeed? Well done to them then, yeah.
And if it tastes anything like this, I don't know.
Let's have a go.
Let's have a go. The roundness, the smoothness, because it's a full grain kit.
That makes me happy all over that, does right?
Balance with that Citra hops, it just come together really lovely.
That's bang on up my street. It's rounded, it's full flavoured, it's refreshing, it's Citra. It does exactly what it says on the bucket, to be honest, doesn't it?
It does indeed.
Fantastic.
It's fantastic.
That is a bang on 10 out of 10 all day long.
Definitely a 10 out of 10.
5% we said.
5% now. Yes, it's not quite
a session. Not quite a session beer, but not overly strong.
Not overly strong.
I found drinking a few of these Friday night, it was quite strong.
We've also, in the Dog and Partridge, and I will be doing a video with it later on an how-to video, but we've upgraded our brewing system.
Oh, have we now?
We have now spent this year's annual budget on a Brew Devil.
Oh, I've heard of these.
And this is an all-in-one, supposedly all-in-one, none of them are truly all-in-one brewing system.
Okay.
So, yes.
So how's it working, bro?
Bit like...
Roughly, because we're obviously going to do a video on it.
We'll do a video on it one day. You put all your grain in it, you get your water, it eats your water, recirculates your water.
Cool.
Yeah, but you still have to add your sparging water.
Okay, right, okay. Right, yeah. Well, I'm sure it'll be...
And it's got a little control unit on your timer and your hops and everything. It's good.
Feature that in another video then. Really marvellous. So that's first beer down.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Second beer.
Again, it's from the Dark Rock Brewing Company.
Excuse me, any other people making kits out there besides Dark Rock?
Yes, I'm finding them. But these guys brought some new kits out. This is their.
This is what I was saying, bro. These guys seem to be bringing out more kits than anybody else.
I think they've just gone through a rebrand, a rephase, and brought out some new kits. This is from their Bohemian range. So this is a bit more like their crafty beer range. Your beardy type of.
Your beardy weedy, sort of like sandal wearing people.
Yeah, people who've got top knots and drink weird names like.
Alright.
Right, yeah, drink weird beardy names like Voodoo Jazzer and stuff like that.
He's been watching adverts on telly too much. Oh my life, this one's even stronger. It's 5.7%. Blooming heck. If you're a fan of Brewdog 5am Saint, you will love this beer.
5M Brewdog, what's that?
5am Saint.
I didn't read that bit.
You haven't even read the label. You'll love this beer. The malts provide a caramel flavour with hints of berries, biscuit and a touch of chocolate. This is matched to six varieties of powerful hops to give a real punch. It goes on, blah, blah, blah. I won't bore you all with that, but yeah, there we go. That's that
There
one.
you go.
Right then. Oh, my wife. Look at that.
I want to say it's red more than anything myself.
It looks like a brown beer.
There's a good smell of hops though. There's a good powerful nose to that of grass and pine.
That's how a full grain kit should smell. Smack your face right in the face. Oh, I know this can be strong.
Wow, there's a good punch of hops. But you can almost taste the strength there.
Almost. It nearly knocked me on the floor.
I'm not quite sure if that's as smooth as a citra.
It's not.
It's not, and the maltiness and the hops don't really, in my mind, combine together well. It's slightly unbalanced. It's a good beer, don't get me wrong.
It's a cracking beer, but I know what you're saying. You get that bit of maltiness, and you get a bit of citra in there, and it's just not quite working out, is it?
Yeah, it's a bit confused for me.
It's neither one thing nor the other. It's not bad.
It's not bad.
And quite frankly, at 5.7, you're still going to get quite happy on it.
You've got one bit of that, don't you?
You're not. So, what do you think out of 10, bro?
I'm probably in the 8 region. I like it.
I'll go with you
It's
on
a
that.
good beer. It is slightly unbalanced for my liking. There is something weird going on there.
It's just not happening quite right, is it?
No.
It's not
At
bad.
first
By no means is it a bad beer, but it's just not clicking.
No. At first you think by the smell it's going to be a fantastic
Oh, yeah.
hoppy beer, which it is, but it doesn't really combine for me with the malt that's in there.
It's like
Quite
taking a
right.
swig of the citra and a swig of brown beer all at the same time.
Yeah. So I'm drinking 2 different beers in one glass.
Yeah, it's a bit unusual, but it's
Unusual.
not bad.
Not bad.
So that's a 10 out of 10. That's an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 from me, I think, as well. Third beer.
Yeah, as we said, we're doing one from Brewstore. Brewstore in Edinburgh. If you
Yeah.
pop along then, they are doing a crafty beer range of, and what do they call themselves?
Small batch brewery. All
Small batch
grain
brewery.
Ingredients: US IPA, generously hopped American style. I've showed you before, but that's the printout there. Obviously, what you do.
Obviously there, now then. First complaint. In a kit, you should get everything you need to make your beer. That's the idea of beer kit.
You're telling me they left something out, right?
Well, they left a couple of things out.
What do you leave out?
Worthlock tablet for starters.
Oh, that's not good. Anything else?
Individually weighed bags of hops. In this kit, you get a bag of grain and a bag of hops. That's it.
So you've got to weigh all the hops out yourself?
Yeah.
Have you got a pair of digital scales?
I have now.
Yeah, that is handy when all the hops are packaged.
Just a one
Yeah.
bag of hops. And what am I going to do with this then? And you have to start weighing out your hops. Now, it does come with a fantastic set of instructions. I will say that. It tells you if you are putting it into a grain farmer or a bulldog brewer, would you need more water? You've got strike water temperature, you've got your mashing temperature, you've got your sparge water, you've got your sparge water temperature, the bore length, and then you see at the bottom here, we've got all these different hops to add. There's what, 2, 4, 6 different times of hops and different weights of hops. But I've got one bag.
So you had to weigh all them out, didn't you?
Yeah,
I bet you wasn't swearing, was you?
no.
I bet you was.
Especially at the time the wife's got just a set of kitchen scales and like
Cooking scales, I bet. Yeah.
24 grams.
And 24 grams, it is next to no. You could breathe on a pair of scales and get 24 grams on it. So anyway,
If you get a kitchen then, buy yourself a set of digital scales first. So it might help.
So after all this palaver,
Yes.
it's better be a good beer, isn't it?
Yes.
Where is it? Because it's not on. I don't think it's on.
Rivets in the cellar.
I think it's in the cellar.
So I fetched some up.
Oh, he's fetched them at the cellar. Oh, it's nice and cool actually. Yeah,
Too bad, is it?
Cheers, bro.
Not quite clear, because again, they didn't provide you with a Werflock tablet, so
Did you have one of them in stock?
I did, and I forgot to put it in it.
Ah. But it's, to be honest then, it's not that bad. It's just slightly hazy.
It's just slightly hazy.
Tell you what, it's got a cracking nose on it, right?
Cracking nose, isn't it?
I'd say that's nearly as good as the Citra.
A good citry piney nose, just about the same.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Ooh.
This comes out at 6.1%.
I was going to say, I went because it tasted nice. Then after you drank it, it's like, it's that, isn't it?
Oh, that smacks you round the back of the chops, that
Oh.
does. There's a good citrusly flavour. It's gone to me tongue
It
already.
took effect straight away.
There's a good citrus flavour there to the back of the tongue. A good dry.
6.1.
A good dry bitterness, but it's 6.1%.
I can't watch rugby and drink this. I'll not see the second
Well, we
half.
could, but you wouldn't see a lot of the second half like you say, would you? Chopping,
It's good. It's cracking beer.
It is
but
a good beer.
It does taste as strong as it says it does.
Yes, it does. You can actually really taste the strength. I can feel my cheeks rosing up now.
I've been in the sun this morning. Mine were red before I came in here. They're even redder now.
You can have some beers that are like high in volume, ABV, but then they don't taste strong sometimes. This actually does taste like it's got a punch of whiskey in there from Scotland.
A little bit, yeah. To me, it's also slightly after. So
Yes.
you drink it and you go,
Oh, not bad.
wow, it's lovely and refreshing. And it goes, oh, hello, smack. Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know, because of that, if I can give it a 10 out of 10.
Do you know what? I quite like it though.
I
myself.
like it. I think it's great. I'm not going to be able to guzzle that, am I? And if
Yeah,
I do...
but not every beer's about guzzling. Not every beer's a session beer, is it?
No, it's not. Yeah, I know.
I know we do like a few, but
For me, it's bordering on just the taste, not necessarily the strength itself, but the taste. Hey, it does, I tell you what, it's warm in the cockles, that is no end.
it does taste strong, and it does warm the old jellies, doesn't it? I'll give that a 9 out.
I think I'll join with a 9 on that one. Yeah, it's a cracking kit. It does what it says, so we can't moan at it that it's strong, because it's supposed to be a strong beer. So, yeah, great.
Great. That's about it, Brad, I'm afraid.
That's about it, isn't it?
We've got no more beer kits at the moment. Well, we have. They're on brew down here somewhere.
Oh, right, okay.
Oh, and I guess you want to know what's coming up next time, because if you are watching, if you are watching on YouTube and you don't want to miss our next instalment, we've got some Mangrove Jack's Juicy IPA.
Oh, juicy.
We've got some Dark Rock Brute Force IPA.
What makes it brute force, bro?
It's where you add an enzyme and you get the gravity down past 1.001. And you get all the sugar brewed.
Oh, the sugar is turned to alcohol.
So not only is Brute Force a strong IPA, it's also low in calories.
Well, there you go. At 6.3, I don't think I'm going to be drinking too many of them either.
Oh, a strong one. And then we've got one from Brewfern as a new one to me, and it's a Belgian Saison.
So they'll be in a few weeks' time then?
They'll be in a few weeks' time, so if you don't want to miss that, subscribe to our YouTube channel, it'd be much appreciated. We are trying to get to 500,
Yes.
It'd be great if you could see us next time we reach 500, it'd be fantastic.
Don't be nosy.
Right, Doug's trying to get in.
Doug's at the door again. But I'm going to let him wait, we'll finish and then I'll let him in.
So, yes, it's a goodbye from me.
It's a goodbye from him.